Hello, everybody. I've got a big announcement. If you are at ISTE this year, I am jealous to not be there, but I am very happy to say that I have joined the ISTE roster, and I am going to be the first person writing a book on multilingual learners and ed tech for ISTE. It's super exciting for me. It's been a lot of work. We're still in the middle of the process of working on it, so it's not coming out quite yet, but I just wanted to share a little bit of the excitement together with the ISTE crowd. And this is not what the cover looks like. This is a very, very poor mock-up that I made, so it'll all be designed. If you're interested in kind of coming along on the journey and the writing journey with me and maybe even helping out with little parts, you can sign up at brentgwarner.com/book, and you can help me out. You can take a look at what's going on, and I'll be sharing a bunch of things with it as well. So anyways, you guys, I'm very excited. I'll definitely be there in 2025, and look forward to talking to you all soon.